We have a couple of trucks parked in the field for me to load. Here's one. So I'm going to push a button on this lever here. And that's going to swing out our unloading auger. It'll be coming out here. There it is. That's going to reach out and over the top of the truck. And then I use my camera on the end of that to look in the truck to make sure I'm in line. And then I push a button over here. And this is going to turn on the auger and make the grain go into the truck. So then I unload all the grain that I just harvested and put it in the truck. So now, see it shooting in the truck through the camera. And then we watch here, we watch the grain disappear out of the tank. It all moves out to the truck. See, there's augers spinning on the bottom in there that move the grain over. And they take it to the auger that goes up and out and fills up the truck. So that was about half a truckload.